So I imagine a lot of people will be concerned that their journeys might take much longer. So we're going to put that to the test. We're currently driving along the Pershore Road into Birmingham city centre, and we're currently driving at just under 30 miles per hour. We're going to do this exact journey again next time, allowing people to pass by, but not going above 20. And we'll see just how much longer it really takes. For drivers across Birmingham, the foot could soon have to come off the accelerator. 20 miles an hour is set to become the norm on many of the city's roads. Under the council's latest transport plan, roads below A roads would default to 20 unless specified otherwise. Like here in Sturchley, where the West Midlands Road Commissioner says slower speeds will save lives.
20 mile an hour default speed limits are an evidence-based life-saving measure. We know that they reduce the number of collisions by about a quarter in both Wales and London, where they've been broadly implemented. But we also know that they save money for the NHS, around £90 million in the first year of that policy for the NHS in Wales. And we also know that they save money for motorists, because the reduced number of collisions on the roads means that insurers can put more money back in the pockets of people who drive.
I've got to say, we've not actually been at 30 miles per hour for much of this journey. Birmingham traffic isn't great at the best of times, but it seems like 30 miles per hour is quite ambitious. Those who spend their working day behind the wheel, there are concerns.
Oh, how is it safer? I mean, it's going to frustrate drivers. They're going to try to do stupid manoeuvres, and they're going to cause more problem for the people.
It may be all right in the city centre, but when you're in the outskirts of the city, it takes forever to get anywhere.
I think there's already a lot of traffic in the city, and imposing a 20 mile an hour limit will just sort of increase that, and it's slightly annoying for us drivers as well.
Right, so that's that journey done. It took us 12 minutes and 20 seconds. Now let's do the exact same journey again, this time not going above 20. So this is 20 miles per hour, and I have to say it does feel much slower. There is a clear road ahead, and I can see why some people will be quite frustrated going at this speed. We're in the left-hand lane of the Pershore Road, allowing those going 30 to pass us by, so we're not holding anyone up. It's not just drivers pushing back. Politically, the plan is proving controversial. Why are you so against this? Because the data shows it does make roads safer.
Well, yes, it can, but let's do that in a targeted way. As per the Department for Transport guidance, these kind of measures should be implemented outside of schools, where there's local support, where there's evidence to substantiate these measures. But actually, as a blanket measure across all local roads in Birmingham, that's not acceptable for motorists.
But children don't exist, for example, just outside schools, do they? They are travel everywhere, and surely everyone has the same right to safety.
Well, yes, of course they do, but let's target those reckless drivers. Let's not punish all drivers. Let's target the reckless ones with tougher enforcement, traffic calming measures where appropriate. But yet again, this blanket measure is not appropriate.
So there we go, let's have a look. This journey is longer, as we thought, but only by 1 minute and 30 seconds. This time it's taken us 13 minutes and 50 seconds. So I guess that's something people will have to contend with. Journeys will be longer, but actually not much. The destination is safer roads. It's how Birmingham gets there, and whether 20 really is plenty that's dividing opinion.